One Home Branding Updates, December 2021. When going into Matrix, you can go ahead and create a search. Click on the search type. Select your criteria. Click on Results. Select the listings that you'd like to share. Choose to email them. Send them to your customer. You can create a new contact if you like, put in your information into the email subject and body. Make sure to have your signature done and click Send. You'll get the confirmation, an email sent to the customer. You can save a search. This saves the criteria, not just the listings. Now to see what the customer receives, we open the sample homes email. You can see the properties, see the listing, your signature, and when you click View Listings, the first time the customer opens up, the first person they see when they open the listings email is your image and branding. They can click through, activate the account if they choose, review the property, click to view your profile, links to your social media, click to view profile and have your information, where you can also have a video. When they select a listing, they can review the items included, and at the very end, they can click to add a note if they activate their account. Your image and information, including branding, on every page.